Amazing health benefits of drinking buttermilk in summers. Buttermilk is one of the healthiest drink to be consumed. It is one of the most famous drinks consumed by Indians and is extremely beneficial. There are many benefits of buttermilk still unknown to many people. It is also popular as an Ayurvedic health drink. It is a blend of milk and butter which is enriched with essential nutrients and is a solution to many health-related problems. At many warm places, buttermilk is a welcome drink to provide coolness in the extreme heat. Many people are still unaware of the benefits of drinking buttermilk. 1. Improves the digestive system. Buttermilk is extremely beneficial in improving the digestion of the body. It helps to solve the problem of indigestion as it is rich in probiotics which promote the growth of gut flora in the body. It thus helps to boost the body immunity as well. 2. Provides relief in acidity. Acidity is one of the most common health problems in most of the people. Acidity makes the health condition worse. Consumption of buttermilk after your meal will help to provide instant relief from acidity. It also provides relief from stomach irritation. 3. Neutralize the spicy intake. Most of us are the lovers of spicy food. But spicy food cause inflammation in the stomach. Drinking a glass of buttermilk helps to neutralize the spice effect and cools down the stomach irritation. As it is a milk-based product, it even provides an adequate amount of protein to the body. 4. Breaks down the fats. While we eat our meals, be it lunch or dinner, we take in lots of oil, butter, and fats. Drinking buttermilk helps to cleanse the stomach from the layers of fats that accumulate. 5. Reduces the risk of cancer and high cholesterol. Buttermilk contains bioactive protein that helps to bring down the cholesterol level in the body. It also prevents the heart from many heart-related diseases and regulates the flow of blood in the body. It even reduces the risk of cancer as it is antibacterial, anti-carcinogenic in nature.